New Brighton Ford. Quality selection, exceptional customer service, and a great price too. Let the friendly professionals at New Brighton Ford help you get into your next vehicle today.
Attention-grabbing style, lively performance, the impressive fuel economy. Whether you're carrying people or cargo, zipping through city streets, or meandering down country roads, the Ford Edge is truly unstoppable. Choose from 4 models, starting with the SE and moving up to the top-of-the-line Sport. A turbocharged 2-liter EcoBoost inline-4 gives you the acceleration and fuel efficiency you're looking for. A 2.7-liter twin turbocharged EcoBoost V6 delivers a best-in-class 315 horsepower, and a 3.5-liter TI VCT V6 uses variable cam timing to improve power and efficiency. Available intelligent all-wheel drive and adaptive steering add to the Edge's already stellar handling and traction characteristics, making for one agile, roadworthy crossover. And with voice-activated sync technology, you can keep your eyes on the road and stay connected. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available, so is navigation and Sirius XM Traffic and Travel Link. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build an Edge that's all yours. The Ford Edge, because nothing's more attractive than confidence.
At New Brighton Ford, you'll never pay too much, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. If it's service, selection, and value you're after, then New Brighton Ford is the place to shop. Stop in today. We're easy to find at the intersection of Highway 694 and Silver Lake Road in New Brighton. It's where our customers send their family and friends.